Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to show you how I deep condition my hair, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you some of my favorite deep conditioners. I'm surprised that it took me this long to do this. I don't know why, but I have gotten questions from you guys about how I do that, which ones are my favorite, so I'm finally getting it to you, so hopefully you enjoy. So if you don't know, deep conditioning is very important for your hair because it helps prevent damage from heat. If you use styling tools, it helps to add back the moisture into your hair. It adds proteins into your hair. It pretty much fills any gaps that you have in your hair. If you have color treated hair like myself, then you definitely need it because it helps to add back any moisture that has been stripped away from your hair. It improves your hair's elasticity, porosity. It pretty much just improves your hair overall. So I really think deep conditioning is vital in your curly hair routine. So how it works is you put the deep conditioner on your hair, you let it sit for a certain amount of time, and in that time it penetrates your hair shafts and pretty much adds into your hair whatever is missing and lacking. It helps to prevent split ends, breakage, damage, frizz. So this is why it's so important to do. So as you can see, my hair is wet because I already shampooed it. So I'm going to show you guys how I deep condition my hair. How I usually do it is I shampoo first, and when I'm deep conditioning, I skip the regular conditioner and I use the deep conditioner in place of my regular conditioner. So I deep condition my hair once a week, and I pretty much rotate my deep conditioners according to what I feel like my hair needs that day. So one of my deep conditioners might be extra moisturizing, another one might have a little bit more protein, another one might be focused on color treated hair. So I pretty much just go based on what I think my hair needs. So I'm going to show you guys my top 5 deep conditioners. So I'm going to start off with my favorite one, which is Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've been using this for a couple of years, and this is just my favorite hands down deep conditioner. It makes my hair feel so soft, so moisturized. I really love this brand. So I'm going to start deep conditioning my hair, and usually I do this in the shower. Rarely do I do it outside of the shower, but I'm just showing you guys today. So I already shampooed my hair. It's still very wet. So I'm gonna add the deep conditioner first from the middle down. And I like to do this because I think the driest part of my hair is in the middle and on the ends. So I make sure that I get it on my ends especially, and I wanna saturate all of my hair with the deep conditioner. And while I deep condition my hair, I like to detangle at the same time, because usually I detangle my hair during the conditioning process, so this is taking the place of that. And immediately my hair feels super duper soft, and I love the smell of this mask. Okay, so I added that in the bottom, and now I'm gonna add a little bit more on the top of my hair. If you have some parts of your hair that are extra dry, I would concentrate the product on those areas. So for some people, it's the top of their hair and their roots are just super dry. For other people, it's their ends. So for me, I have a lot of dryness in the middle of my hair and the back. So I like to focus the deep conditioner on those parts. Okay, so now the mask is fully on my hair. So now what I'm gonna do is clip it up. Okay, and after this part, there are many different options that you can do. You can leave your hair like this and just do whatever you gotta do in the shower, shave your legs, read a book, just kidding, wash your body, whatever you have to do. But for other people, they like to deep condition their hair outside of the shower, which is totally fine too. So the instructions for this mask is after shampooing, massage the mask into your hair from root to tip, leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. For an even deeper conditioning, cover your hair with a plastic cap for 20 minutes and then rinse. So you can leave this in your hair for up to 20 minutes. So today that's what I'm gonna do. When it comes to deep conditioning, a lot of people do it their own way, and I think that's how it should be. Everybody's hair is different, so I don't think there's a one size fits all when it comes to deep conditioning. So you have to try different things and see what works best for your hair. So after this step, you can either leave your hair clipped up with the deep conditioner in it, or you can add a plastic cap to your hair. That's what I'm gonna do today. So I think that's beneficial because adding the plastic cap over your hair helps to insulate your body's heat, and the heat helps to penetrate the deep conditioner into your hair shaft. So I'm gonna use this plastic cap. So So you can leave your hair in a plastic cap and that's totally fine. Some people use a hooded dryer, some people use a blow dryer to help the heat. I just like to use my body's natural heat from the plastic cap, but I also have another plastic cap, and this one actually has material inside, like a cloth material, and that helps even more to insulate heat. So putting this cap over the plastic cap helps it to make it even warmer in there because of the cloth material. Okay, so while this is sitting in my hair for 20 minutes, I'm gonna continue telling you guys about my deep conditioners. So as I was saying about the Briogeo deep conditioner, this is 98% naturally derived, which is awesome. So it's made from natural ingredients. It doesn't have any of the bad stuff in it. They promote that they're 6-free, meaning no sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, artificial colors, or DEA. I know I didn't say that word right, phthalates. I don't know how to say that, but you know what I mean. So anyways, it has really good ingredients in it. It smells amazing and it makes my hair so soft. I just love it. My next favorite is BelleBar Organics Customizable Avocado Restoring Hair Mask. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you saw that I was talking about this for the longest time last month. I made 3 different videos about it on my Instagram, so if you scroll down a little bit, you can check them out. But I love this mask. Oh my gosh. So it has a blend of all these natural ingredients in it, and it helps to improve your texture of your hair. It adds moisture to your hair and it adds protein. And this is cool because you're able to customize it. So they recommend that you use it on its own, or you can use it with your favorite deep conditioners. So what I did was I used the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair deep conditioner, and I mixed that with this hair mask, and it gave me some of the best results that I ever had with my curly hair. Like, my curls looked amazing. So I really love this stuff. So my next favorite is DevaCurl's Melt Into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. And I'm so sad because I'm out of this. I need to get more ASAP, but I love the way this stuff smells. It smells so good. It's like this light green color, and it makes your hair so smooth and soft. Like, oh my gosh, it adds moisture into my hair. I love the smell. Some people don't, I don't know why, but I personally love it. And it has matcha butter in it. Matcha butter has a lot of health benefits. This is a really light mask. You can leave it on for 3 minutes, or you can leave it on all the way up to 20 minutes. They say you can leave it on overnight if you wanted to because it's so lightweight, but I really like this. My next favorite deep conditioner is Mielle Organics BABASSU Oil Mint Deep Conditioner, and I love this because it's the only deep conditioner that I have that gives me that minty feeling. A lot of shampoos have that, but not really deep conditioners. So when my scalp is like itchy, I reach for this and it just helps to like soothe my scalp. It feels so good, and it smells so good in the shower because you smell that like peppermint smell. So not only does it make my hair soft and moisturized, but it also helps to relieve my scalp. So I think that's pretty unique because not many deep conditioners that I have at least do that. So I like the fact that it helps my hair and my scalp. And finally, last but not least, SheaMoisture. SheaMoisture deep conditioners have been my go-to ever since I started my curly hair journey years ago. So every time people ask me what deep conditioner to get, I always point them to SheaMoisture first because they just have such a wide range of products. I have tried so many deep conditioners. So the one that I'm mentioning today is one that I really like, but it's not the only one. I just kind of feel like this is a representative of every SheaMoisture deep conditioner that I ever used because I love them all. Today, the one that I'm going to talk about is the Natural Pro Color Care BAOTEIN Precious Oils Complex, and this is a vibrant color recovery mask. So after I dye my hair, I like to use this because it adds any moisture that has been stripped away, and it strengthens it with proteins, natural oils. So I really like this, and again, I like a lot of SheaMoisture masks. This is just one of them. I pretty much use them all for about 20 to 30 minutes, but again, it all depends on your hair type. The SheaMoisture deep conditioners are so affordable. You can find them at any drugstore. I got this one for $8.49. It was on sale. So you don't always have to use the higher end deep conditioners. It just depends again on what you're able to afford, on what your hair likes. You have to try things out and see what works best for you. So that's pretty much it for my favorite deep conditioners. I'm so glad that I finally got to share it with you guys. So my 20 minutes are up. I'm gonna rinse this out of my hair, but I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.